The Planar LookThru OLED is a breakthrough transparent display that showcases dynamic or interactive information on a transparent surface glass. This revolutionary display allows users to view what is shown on a glass video screen while still being able to see through it. Designers can overlay text, digital images, and video content onto physical objects or scenes that sit behind the glass. The Planar LookThru OLED provides new surfaces for storytelling and allows for a futuristic and modern aesthetic that has appeal across industries and applications. The first-of-its-kind Planar LookThru OLED is a self-emitting display that utilizes cutting-edge Organic Light Emitting Diode technology to eliminate the need for a backlight or enclosure, making it possible to create truly see-through installations in a virtually frameless glass design. Planar's unique approach maximizes transparency while delivering vibrant, eye-popping colors as well as wide viewing angles with no off-axis contrast or brightness limitations. The Planar LookThru OLED display is offered in a 55-inch diagonal. It can be used in both portrait and landscape modes, can be table-mounted, ceiling-mounted, or built into custom fixtures using the straight flush mount design. The display can be tiled to create large, eye-catching video wall arrays. The display provides full HD resolution that allows for beautiful graphics and full-motion video. It comes with standard digital inputs including HDMI and DisplayPort, and is fully controllable for advanced installations. The Planar LookThru OLED utilizes proprietary planar extended ruggedness and optics technology featuring Corning Gorilla Glass. This high-durability surface can withstand the rigors of high-traffic environments and interactive touch. It also improves perceived contrast by more than 300%, making the display more readable and impactful even in bright public venues. The Planar LookThru OLED fulfills the promise of transparent displays with never-before-possible applications in digital signage, including retail, hospitality, corporate, and museum settings.